Quick-style salsa. Ingredients: 4–5 ripe tomatoes, diced. 1/2 red onion, finely chopped. 1–2 jalapeno peppers, finely chopped, adjust to your spice preference. 1/4 cup fresh cilantro, chopped. Juice of 1–2 limes, depending on your taste. Salt to taste. Optional, 1–2 cloves of garlic, minced. Instructions: prepare the ingredients. Dice the tomatoes, finely chop the red onion, jalapeno peppers, and cilantro. If you're using garlic, mince it finely. Combine ingredients. In a bowl, combine the diced tomatoes, chopped red onion, jalapeno peppers, cilantro, and minced garlic, if using. Add lime juice. Squeeze the juice of 1–2 limes into the bowl. Lime juice adds tanginess and helps bring out the flavors of the other ingredients. Season. Sprinkle salt over the mixture according to your taste preference. Start with a little, and you can always add more if needed. Mix well. Gently toss the ingredients together, making sure everything is well combined. Be careful not to overmix, as you want to maintain the chunky texture of the salsa. Taste and adjust. Taste the salsa and adjust the lime juice and salt if necessary. You can also add more chopped jalapeno if you prefer a spicier salsa. Chill. Let the salsa sit in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. Chilling allows the flavors to meld together. Serve. Once the salsa has chilled, it's ready to be served. Enjoy it with tortilla chips, as a topping for tacos, grilled meats, or as a refreshing side dish. Remember, this salsa is very customizable. If you like it chunkier, dice the ingredients larger. If you prefer it smoother, you can use a food processor to blend it to your desired consistency. Feel free to experiment with additional ingredients like corn, black beans, mango, or avocado for a unique twist. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit notification bell.